let's talk about first and foremost thing, what is business intelligence? So for this question, you try to remember this particular picture in your head. So first and foremost, for any of the company, we have large amount of raw data with us, right? So what we do with this data? We try to extract, transform and load, that is ETL, into the data warehouse wherein we can get something useful out of it, right? So what is the first step? Is that we are converting the raw data into something useful information that can help in the business decision making. So how decision making can be supported is by a graphical analysis with the help of data mining for searching for any hidden patterns that in there in the data. So this is how we can make a better decision for the business, right? And eventually, if you see the another leg of this figure of this particular picture, you see that you can spot new opportunities from this information that you have ETL into the data warehouse, and can eventually improve the strategy for your business and can also predict future customer behavior to help your business. So in 3 points, what we can say is that business intelligence is delivering the relevant and reliable information to the right people at the right time. The goal of achieving a better decision, and that to a faster way, is another thing that we need to do with the business intelligence. And eventually what the developers do is they collect and structure the data, convert it into information, and helps improve the business decision, right? So what business intelligence is it's a combination of various things. So it is performance management, it is big data analytics, predictive and statistical analytics, predictive modeling, data and text mining, visualization software, and a lot more. So it is not just the visualization software, which people think that business intelligence or various tools of business intelligence are just a visualization tool. No, it's not correct. It is more than that.